As long as the Hindu extremists and Muslim extremists, both of them abuse me, then I'm fine. The number of idiots that give dignity to a stupid idea.
It's far from the norm that one invites Javed Akhtar to discuss the importance of Urdu in Hindi cinema and then cancels the event. However, that's the scenario the legendary scriptwriter, poet, and lyricist found himself in after the event he had been invited to by the West Bengal Urdu Academy was put off indefinitely. The groups were apparently upset over Akhtar's very vocal stance on being an atheist. Javed Akhtar talks about the perils of allowing a religion to hijack a language and why there's great irony in Muslim religious groups pretending to be custodians of Urdu.
So, generally, when I talk about a generic God, a God who everybody believes in, whether it's a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Jew or Parsi or whatever. That they can take, that they understand. But the moment you particularize it, and the fact is that all of them believe in human being much more than in God. Because you can't speak about their religious leaders. That will not be accepted at all. At all. You can talk about the God. I mean, these people have no idea what is Urdu literature. All the important poets, except for one exception of Iqbal, were leftists, not in 20th century. Every 300 years, the kind of poetry Mir has written, or after him Ghalib has written, all of them are totally irreligious people, and they mentioned religious beliefs with tongue in cheek. Quran was translated for the first time in 1798 in Delhi by Islamic scholar Shah Abdul Qadir. All the muftis worth their salt at that time gave a fatwa against this man. That how could he translate this holy book in this hidden language, this dirty language? Languages cannot belong to any religion. It is illogical. Languages belong to region. Punjab's language is Punjabi, Bengal language, Bengali, Karnataka language, Kannada, Marathi language, Marathi. France language is French, Italian language, Italian, English language, English. How can some language can be called English is the Christian language? It is as wrong as saying Hindi is Hindu language. If you have any illusion that Hindi is Hindu language, you must go to Tamil Nadu and ask somebody. Is it true? The idea here that language belongs to any religion or any religious community is wrong. It was a mushara. It was not a religious function that you had any objection. It's about literature. The whole seminar was about Urdu's contribution in Hindi film. What it had to do with religion. But they think Urdu is our property.